How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining us. Meteorologist Mike Brookins here. And still, it's ongoing. We said this would be a long event up east of Lake Ontario. You've seen significant improvements in northern Oswego and a lot of Lewis County, and there's no longer any warnings in place there. Can't say the same for the Watertown area. Just walloped with snow again on this Saturday, and at least until 1 a.m. Sunday, we have a lake effect snow warning here. I wouldn't be surprised if this has continued a little bit later for especially the northern half from Watertown north later tonight. Still picking up some snow, but that's the only warning left out there. And can you see the car? Can you spot it? Sue Murray had tweeted this with her Twitter account, Sue Home 1, up in Adams, and they had a lot of snow. How much? Well, the latest total that we received from the National Weather Service was 48 inches there. That's 4 feet. We said there'd be 4 or 5 feet in some spots. Rodman, New York, which is in Jefferson County, just to the east of Adams, a little higher in elevation, 54 inches. That's 4.5 feet. It probably has been higher than that in some spots, maybe even in Adams. So keep sending us these pictures. We love to see them at our CNYcentral Facebook page. Maybe I'll show one of yours on television this evening or tomorrow morning with Matt Stevens. 16 degrees our high temperature for this Saturday. It was a chilly one. 20 in Watertown. They had the lake clouds, and actually cloudiness keeps you warmer when you get this kind of cold. 15 in Rome for a high temperature. Let's see, we're about half of what we typically are this time of the year. 31 the normal high for today. We did 16. 7 was our low last night, below average, nowhere near the record setback, in 2004 when we were down to minus 16 on this date. Overnight tonight, the lake effect snow is going to be well up north, primarily Jefferson County and central northern portions of that picking up the most snow. Otherwise, it's dry and cold, single-digit cold we're talking, maybe near zero in some spots. Coming up tomorrow, dry, chilly day with some partial sunshine. Then our next system moves on in for later Sunday night into Monday morning especially with some periods of snow. There will be some area-wide accumulation with this. Doesn't look like it's going to be a whole lot. We're going to be in that 1 to 3 inch range most likely, and temperatures not quite as cold. I'll show you how the futurecast shows this lake effect snow winding down during the overnight up north. Our skies variably cloudy tonight, partly to mostly cloudy. We may start off with some clouds. There's actually a warm front moving by, so mostly cloudy in the morning, and then a mix of sun and clouds midday during the later afternoons, partly sunny to mostly cloudy. Going into Sunday night, the clouds thicken, and we get the snow moving in after midnight. It's a lot of it light. There may be some moderate snow in some of the hills south and southeast of Onondaga County where 2 or 3 inches of snow could add up, but Sunday night alone, probably an inch or 2 in Syracuse and only an inch up to the north. And then during the day, this should start to wind on down. Snowfall forecast for tonight. Most of us nice and dry. You have to go up to Jefferson, extreme northern Lewis County, maybe 1 to 2 inch snowfall. And around the Watertown, Adams Center area north, 3 to 6 inches of snow. A lot of that falls, though, before 1 a.m. So by morning, it's actually going to taper and move into the St. Lawrence Seaway in the form of just some flurries, as the winds will be shifting around to the south. Notice our temperatures dropping down to about 8 degrees in Syracuse, closer to 0 in some spots, variably cloudy to mostly cloudy. As we start the day, mostly cloudy, and during the afternoon and midday, partly sunny to a mix of sun and clouds before new clouds start to come in late day. And our high temperature, not as cold in the afternoon at 28, and we're briefly above freezing, just 1 day in our 7-day. There's the thaw, 33 on Monday. Later Sunday night, early Monday morning, some snow, tapers to snow showers, and eventually some lake effect snow showers Monday night. The cold's back Tuesday, a high of 13.